Hello friends, this is Shruti and again I'm here with the next part of my video. So in the previous video we discussed how to prove two given lines parallel. So we discussed the result that if you are having a pair of alternate interior angles equal, then you can say that the two given lines are parallel. But we are not just limited to that result to prove two given lines parallel. We have more results for that. So today we are going to discuss one more result to prove lines parallel in this video. So let's have a look at the result. So the result says if a transversal intersects a pair of lines such that interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary, then the two lines are parallel. So let's try to understand this result first and then we'll try to prove that how can you say that the lines are parallel if you have this given condition. So see, the result here says that if a transversal intersects a pair of lines, see, it is not given to us that the lines are parallel or not. It is given that a transversal is intersecting a pair of lines. Now, what is the condition given to us is that interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. The interior angles which are on the same side of transversal, which we can say co-interior angles also, if they are supplementary, then you can conclude that the lines are parallel. So let's try to make a figure for this. Since we know that we'll prove that the lines are parallel, so we'll make a pair of parallel lines. So let us consider this L and M and consider that this pair of line L and M is intersected by a transversal T. Now in the question they are saying that interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary, a pair of interior angles. So let's consider this 1 and 2. So this angle 1 and 2, they are a pair of interior angles and they are lying on the same side of transversal, and now it is given to us that they are supplementary. It means their sum will be 180 degree. Now if you have this condition, then you can say that the lines are parallel. So how can you say this? Let's try to prove it with the help of a result. So first of all, we can write what is given to us. So it is given that L and M are intersected by a transversal T. So that was given to us. Also, it is given that a pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. So we have written here, marked here, angle 1 and angle 2. So angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to 180 degree. This is given to us in the question. Now, what do we need to prove is the lines are parallel. So we need to prove that L is parallel to M. Now let's see how will you prove this. So let's see the proof. We can consider one more angle here. So let us consider this angle 3. Now see, angle 1 plus angle 3 will be equals to 180 degree because they are a linear pair. These angles are lying, angle 1 and angle 3 are lying on this straight line T. So their sum will be 180 degree because of linear pair. Also, one condition was given to us in the question. The condition was angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to 180 degree. So now we have these two conditions. Let us name this equation as 1 and the other equation as 2. So now what can you conclude here is, if we are observing these two equations, that is first and second. So from first and second we can conclude that, see, these two equations are having equal right hand sides, so the left hand side should also be equal. So we can conclude that angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Now, angle 1 is same on both the sides. So we can cancel it. We can subtract angle 1 from both the sides. So what are we left with? Angle 3 equals to angle 2. Now, observe these angles. This angle 3 and this angle 2, they are making pair of corresponding angles. And we know according to corresponding angles axiom that if you are having a pair of corresponding angles equal, then the lines are parallel. So here we are getting that a pair of corresponding angles are equal. So we have observed that these are corresponding angles. Now what can we conclude here is that L is parallel to M. So it means whenever you have a condition that a pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary, you will get that the lines are parallel. So now we can directly apply this result to prove two lines parallel. So this is how you will prove two lines parallel using this co-interior angles condition. So now I hope you will be able to apply this rule. If you like my video, then don't forget to like it, and also if you have not subscribed yet, then subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video.